Hi everyone! Welcome back! So today we are going to talk more about the buttons all the way down here. I have to click the More button to see them because of how zoomed in I am on my screen. However, if you were zoomed out a little bit farther, they would all be here by default. I'm going to go ahead and zoom back in though so you can see the buttons. Nice. So, if there's any buttons you can't find, but you see these three little dots, go ahead and click them. And that'll be your More. I'd like to go over the numbered list, the bulleted list, decrease indent, increase indent, and clear formatting. I'm going to start actually backwards and go to clear formatting. So we've heard this word format or formatting before over here with the paint format. And if you remember, paint format would match the format from one text to another. So, for example, if I had this one text with a bunch of different formatting options, and I want this one to match, I could select one or multiple letters, paint format, and select the other one, and boom, they're the same. So it makes them both match. Clear formatting is kind of similar. What it does, it just takes it back to basics. So you guys saw the changes I made. I changed the font, the size, I made this bold, and a red color. If I highlight it and here clear formatting, it takes it right back to the basics. Pretty simple. Next, I want to talk about increase and decrease indent. So, we all know the first sentence in a paragraph is indented. And a lot of times we just hit the tab key. Another way to increase your indent, though, besides hitting the tab key, is to just click increase indent. And that will take us in. We can see our little left indent has moved. Do it again, and it moves me in farther, about a half of an inch every time. If I want to go backwards, I just hit the decrease indent. So it moves my cursor forward and backwards. So I can type here, increase, or here. And then, if you've ever been indented, hit enter, and you're too far in, you want to get back out, you hit backspace, or you can decrease the indent. Or here. And again, you can hit this multiple times and type here. So on and so forth. Alright, let's talk about the bullets and numbering after I get my indent back where I want it to be. Excellent. So bullets and numbered. This is a really nice shortcut, so you don't have to type, 1 dot information, enter, 2 dot information, or a really good way to put your thoughts in a clear way using bullet points. So if I just hit the bullet point button, it gives me the default, the simple circle one, which is great. However, if I hit this down arrow, I have a few options. As you can see, the different levels of indent, for some of them, have different shapes, or they're all the same. This just shows you all your options. So let's go with the stars. So I click that. I can type here. When I hit enter, it will automatically give me another star, which is great. And I can type here now. When I hit enter and I want to go in a line, an indent, I hit indent and there's a different type of bullet for me. Again, I hit enter, I'm at that same level indent, and I can go back out to the star, or I can go in even farther for a different one. So this is how you move around indents for your bullets. Now we also have a very similar option for a numbered list. So if I just click on the button, 1, hello, hit enter, it automatically goes to 2. And every time I hit enter, it takes me to a new line with a new number, which is really helpful because that would save me a lot of time having to type that out. If I hit the drop down though, I have a few options. So these all have ones, but looking a little different. And then the sub-bullets, or the more indented ones, look a little bit different as well. You can do letters, Roman numerals, numbers in general, lots of different options. I'm going to go ahead and go with this one. So again, hello, my name is Mrs. Marshall. So these are awesome Roman numerals. And then if I do increase my indent, I get other options. So now I get an A, there's a B, a C, and I can increase my indent again, and it goes to numbers. So that is how you add numbers, add bullets, decrease your indent, increase your indent, and clear your formatting. What I'd like from you to do now is to open up a blank document and type out your schedule. So you don't have to be very specific with your class name. If you're in 6th grade math, just go ahead and write math, even if you're in 6th grade or algebra or anything like that. And then I want you to hit enter, increase your indent, and tell me your teacher's name. After you do that, hit enter again, decrease your indent, and tell me your second period class name. Then you're going to increase your indent, the next line, tell me that teacher name, so on and so forth. Feel free to skip lunch because it's not really a period. You can add AA in there if you'd like, it's up to you. So I'd like you to turn in something very similar to this. You can change your font, type, size, and color if you want. Please just make sure it looks professional. And you don't have to necessarily pick the exact type of numbered text that I picked on here for my numbered list. You can change it if you'd like. Good luck!